love it after they jump. We love to rub their legs down and hocks and even the stifles. Just as a all around, it keeps the legs cool, it really cools them, tightens them. And actually for many horses, we do use it even pre-competition or pre-jumping. On their backs, sometimes their gluteals. By rubbing it in before we jump, it warms them up and I think it loosens things up.
The new Soar No More meets racing industry's regulatory zero-tolerance requirements, delivering the cooling topical arnica liniment with comfrey and no added lobelia or capsaicin in the blend.
In racing, your horses are going 30 to 40 miles an hour, landing on one leg at a time with 120 pounds on them. So, I mean, they sprain so easily. There's so many things that happen to legs and tendons and soft tissue and muscles, and you leave the gate from a standstill and all of a sudden you're going 35, 40 miles an hour. They're going to pull muscles, they're going to pull tendons, they're going to pull a lot of things, and Soar No More, they're just the best products out there.